In this presentation, we will summarize the findings of a study that analyzed the effect of stroke and heart failure for brain blood flow and brain function. The scientists also studied a possible treatment that would better the brain function. About 3 out of 10 persons worldwide die from a stroke or a heart attack. At the moment, no treatments exist to cure either of these diseases. After a heart attack, patients often develop heart failure over time. Stroke and heart failure patients are also known to develop problems with brain function, especially their memory. After a stroke and during heart failure, the brain blood flow is reduced, which might be the cause for the loss of memory function in these patients. The scientists used a mouse model for stroke and another one for heart failure. In both models, a molecule called CFTR was reduced in the blood vessels of the brain. This reduction of CFTR may be the cause for the reduction in brain blood flow. A treatment that increases CFTR may therefore help to bring brain blood flow back to normal levels of healthy persons. And that is exactly what the scientists found. When the scientists treated mice after a stroke or during heart failure, the treatment to increase CFTR also increased the brain blood flow. At the same time, the memory function of these mice improved and the structure of the brain became more normal again. In summary, the scientists showed that both during heart failure and after a stroke, CFTR is reduced in the vessels of the brain. The blood flow in the brain is reduced and brain cells get damaged. A treatment that increased CFTR improved the brain blood flow, reduced the damage to the brain cells, and also improved the memory function. The treatment that was tested is already used clinically for patients with a chronic lung disease. It might therefore be a promising way to help patients that have memory and brain function problems after a stroke or due to heart failure. If you want to know more about this research, you can visit us online using the link or the QR code